Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be looking at 5 crypto themes to look forward to in 2024 with predictions. That's right, predictions. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We will have a 2024 January 1st live stream on Monday, 5 o'clock Eastern Time. Again, I am live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5, so please be sure to join in the fun with the live streams. But I wanted to get this out because this is important in looking forward to 2024 and where you want to be allocated and what you might want to be buying throughout 2024. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am very excited about 2024. I've got a lot deployed. This article talks about data points, but I'm going to be talking about themes. And with that, again, in the United States, where I am, regulation seems to be coming, which a lot of people in crypto think is a good idea. And that first step is getting rid of the bad actors. Of course, we had Sam Bankman-Fried gone. We have the whole Luna Dogecoin thing is gone. And we even have Barry Silbert, that he resigned from Grayscale. And of course, Doge fans know Barry Silbert, and karma's a bitch, right? Got rid of Barry as well, because the first theme that we have is around Bitcoin. That's right, Bitcoin. We're talking about the spot ETF approval that is coming. That's going to be the first big thing we think in 2024. And we may hear again early of this approval before it's actually approved, because these big companies that want to do these spot ETFs are going to start seeding their funds. They have to buy actual Bitcoin, right? They have to have that. However, could this be a sell the news event? And this is what we've been talking about. We'll talk about it more in the live stream, but it's kind of funny that now there's all this being printed about, like, Bitcoin's going to drop as soon as these spot ETFs get approved, because there's been this whole buildup in the last half of 2023 around this, that once it's approved, there's going to be a big drop in the market. So that could be a buying opportunity, but then everyone's talking about this maybe sell the news, and that may not even happen. So we will see that. That's going to be the big first event going on. We also have the Bitcoin halving in April. And typically what we see with the halving, also a little run up before, and then it usually drops afterwards. So again, yet another data point to look at within this theme around Bitcoin and where Bitcoin could trade going forward. One analyst is saying, look, based on these 4-year cycles that we've had, again, 2014, 2018, 2022, and now into, and those were the bear market years, coming out of the bear market 2022 into 2023. Again, not a lot of movement. 2024 will have more, and 2025 could be the real big bull. If that's the case, I mean, they're looking in this chart as 2024 being maybe 90K by the end of the year, just under 100, and then 2025 sort of an astronomical run. Again, my chart, and I've shown this before, this is a logarithmic chart of Bitcoin, and we're looking at this high of 69K here, November of 2021, down to the low that we had here just over a year ago at 15.6, and we're just starting to move up, coming up into 2025. Again, we could be at $180,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin. Some are predicting $250,000 and even more. But in 2024, somewhere around 90 to 100K Bitcoin makes a lot of sense to me. So that is the first theme, is all around Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the largest market cap crypto and will drive a lot of the movement of the market. The next theme is Ethereum. Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin put out this new roadmap. Where could Ethereum's price go? Up to 5,000 or so? That would only be a 2x though. Again, if I go back to my charts, let's get out of the logarithmic scale here. Go regular. We go auto here, and we look at Ethereum. So this is Ethereum's chart. Again, we're looking at the weekly. We can look back into time. And its all-time high of Ethereum is like 4,600 or so. So at 2,300 to get to 5,300, again, that's a little about 2.5x or so. There are some people who are looking more for like 5x and 10x returns on cryptos. Ethereum, again, big daddy of number 2, that's number 2 after Bitcoin. It's big. Ethereum, though, with a new upgrade that is coming out, that new upgrade is going to speed up Ethereum, reduce gas fees, and with that, what we could have is layer 2s. That's right. Ethereum layer 2s could be the winner. We're talking about Optimism, Arbitrum, and Polygon. One thing for Polygon, the Matic token is going to convert to POL, the POL tokens. That's going to happen. But we're really going to see Optimism and Arbitrum take off. Now, we have shown Optimism and Arbitrum before on the channel, and I am invested in both of these. Look at Optimism. Optimism has already exceeded its all-time high. It is in price discovery. We don't know where this thing can go, but there's a lot of excitement around it. Arbitrum, when it had its launch in 2023, it did come up to $1.82, now trading at $1.62. It's going to be in price discovery as well. So these are new layer 2s that could just take off. So we will be watching those as well. Next theme is going to be around gaming and AI. I kind of grouped them together, mostly because there is some crossover between them and what's going on. Avalanche is going to be a big winner, though. There's so much going on with Avalanche, and even into the memes too a bit, but it's really around gaming. Avalanche is putting money into projects that are being built on it, and a lot of it is going to be gaming. We're going to see gaming be huge. Now, Gala probably do well. I think Immutable X, again, the Immutable X token is going to be huge. Blockchain that IMX token supports, video games like Illuvium could boost value, but the IMX token is really going to be one to watch, as well as the AI game of Fetch and Singularity Net, and then Render. And what is Render going to do? See, Render, right now, it's just kind of like a GPU sharing, but they are going into the AI realm as well, and we'll see whether that artificial intelligence crypto sector, again, lagging behind traditional AI, but 2024 could be the year for artificial intelligence. If we look at Render token here, we will see that, again, it was up here at $8. That's its all-time high. $4.50 now. This could easily not only double and go into price discovery here with Render as well. It has been on a big run here at the end of 2023. IMX token as well. Again, a big run. This could continue as well. I mean, just so many of these projects just have so much opportunity. The next theme to talk about are blockchains. Algorand, blockchain breakthrough, smart contract speed and efficiency. All the talk has been about Solana. And Solana has been a big theme for the last half of 2023. That will continue. Solana is still going to be around, but you have others that have much more opportunity for price gains if you're looking for that. Look at Algorand. Algorand is down here at 22 cents. It's been over $2. This is a 10x, only to get to its previous all-time high. So we're talking about 2x, 3x versus 10x possibility, and Algorand could be one of these projects. It suffered the lack of marketing over the past couple of years, really took a beat down in 2023 in the bear market here. The opportunity for Algo is huge. And also I want to talk about VeChain, supply chain management. This VeChain project had a huge 2021, and really got hit on the bear market as well, VeChain is going to be one of those that is going to explode 2024 and into 2025. Now trading at 3.5 cents. It's up over 2 cents where it was trading here over the summer. So it's starting to make its move now. Where could this go? Again, this is going to be almost a 10x from here just to get back to its, April 2021 all-time highs. This has huge possibilities on that side. And then we've got Cardano. And one thing that I want to say about Cardano, yeah, it's slow, kind of moving in terms of its price action and its trading. Typically what I see with Cardano is that it lags Solana in terms of its price movement. Solana had its big run. We could see Cardano finally catch up back to Solana and what Solana is doing. And let me find my Cardano. There's the ADA token there. Cardano was up at $3. Now it's at 60 cents. So a 5x from here just to get back to its all-time high. That would be good to see in 2024. And we might expect that. Again, depending on how all of these the trading of all of these tokens move could determine where we end up. Again, exciting things ahead. The last big theme to talk about is going to be memes. Yes, memes. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Bonk. These are the three big ones that we're talking about. There will be others that will take off that aren't even invented yet, that will come out and probably have big runs. There's a lot of risk with those, though. You always have to be careful with the risk of some of these tokens because you don't know who's creating them. A lot of people talking about maybe Pepe will take off if ETH goes on a run. We were talking about Pepe probably doing a run itself, which I think Shib will. Doge and Shib kind of tend to trade somewhat together. Doge has a big catalyst, Shib will follow. Shib goes on a big run, Doge follows. There's a lot of that going on. Bonk on Solana. Bonk looks like it's going to be a utility token. It's already on the Solana phones where you can get the Bonk tokens tied to that. So with Bonk's popularity, a lot of that is leading to Solana. So these are to watch for in the whole meme category. Of course, I'll do a whole thing on Dogecoin itself because there's huge catalysts coming up. Dogecoin to the moon with Elon and X payments, all of that in 2024. Tons to look forward to. So some other things just to talk about. DeFi protocols. 2023 really saw a number of these start to take off. Aave is the one that I think is going to have a huge 2024. And we'll probably see Uniswap do very well as that continues to be one of the leading DeFi platforms. Just some others, a few to look at. ICP. ICP has this huge run here right at the end of 2023. Kind of came out of nowhere. I'm a little leery about ICP because there's so many of these tokens. Huge percentage, like 80% are really owned by the devs still. And I'm always a little cautious about that. And especially when ICP started, and it was trading at $700 when it ICO'd, and now it's at $9. I mean, $700. It's just it was so overhyped. So many people bought into it. There's so many people that are way down, want it to come up, but just be careful with ICP. Injective also had a huge end of 2023. Again, not sure how the Injective tokens going forward are going to continue to trade. This could be overbought here, and we could see kind of that slow down and not have quite a huge gain going forward. And the graph is the other one that I think is going to, again, it's so unique in what it's doing. As more people figure out this indexing protocol, graph could be huge as well. Again, trading like 18, 19 cents. It's been up to $2.50. So that is over a 10x to get back to its all-time high where it was in 2021. That could have a huge run as well. And then my little shadow pick that I have is Jasmy. Jasmy, this Japanese Internet of Things platform. how is this going to run? The Japanese aren't really great at marketing, and how this is going to be used going forward is still kind of unknown. But I'm willing to bet on Jasmy as one of those that could take off. I want to be on board with it because Jasmy started out with this huge, huge run here. And now it's less than a penny if you're looking for a low-priced project to buy into. Jasmy could be one of those. So it's one of those themes to look forward to. It's one of those projects that we could see very exciting things going forward. So that is overall my 5 themes for 2024 that we're looking forward to. Join me on my live streams. We can get into more detail on any of these projects or any others that you're interested. And of course, we're going to focus more on Dogecoin, the beginning of 2024. Such huge potential and breakout possibilities for Doge. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Any other coins you're looking forward to in 2024. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.